You've probably heard some claims that hydraulic fracturing or fracking causes earthquakes. Headlines from across the country, and indeed around the world, make that connection all the time. But is it true? Not according to actual experts. Here's what U.S. Geological Survey geophysicist Bill Ellsworth recently said. "We don't see any connection between fracking and earthquakes of any concern to society." Mark Zoback, a geophysicist at Stanford University and a member of the U.S. Department of Energy's Natural Gas Subcommittee, says the energy released from hydraulic fracturing is equivalent to the energy of a gallon of milk hitting the floor after falling off a kitchen counter. Needless to say, these events pose no danger to the public. And the National Research Council, part of the prestigious national academies, concluded recently that hydraulic fracturing a well as presently implemented for shale gas recovery does not pose a high risk for inducing felt seismic events. So why is the media saying otherwise? The short answer is confusion about hydraulic fracturing and what are known as wastewater disposal wells. These are not the same wells where hydraulic fracturing is used to produce oil and gas, but rather wells into which wastewater from a variety of industrial processes is disposed. Injection wells are also regulated by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, which calls them a safe and inexpensive option for disposing of wastewater. Experts have studied the link between wastewater injection and small seismic events for decades, but the National Research Council says that only a very small fraction of these types of wells are associated with felt seismic events. Opponents of hydraulic fracturing and many in the media will likely keep suggesting that fracking poses a high risk of causing major earthquakes. But if we look at what the scientific community actually says, we know that claim just isn't true. For more information, please visit energyindepth.org.